The new chapter of class 11 is complex numbers and quadratic equations. Now first you have to know about the complex numbers. ये complex numbers होते क्या हैं? Complex numbers real and imaginary number के combination को कहते हैं complex numbers. Now the numbers are real number and the imaginary numbers. We know that the numbers are of two types, real number and imaginary numbers. All real numbers we know about, लेकिन imaginary number क्या होते हैं? Square root of negative numbers are called imaginary numbers. In this root -1, we know it is denoted by letter I. It means squaring both sides, I square equal to -1. Okay, the I is a solution. I square equal to -1. A number is in the form of a plus ib is known as the complex number, where a and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers and the a plus ib is a complex number. It is denoted by z. Okay, it is a complex number. A is the real part. This is the real part of a number and this is imaginary part. Okay, this is imaginary part, it is a real part. Okay, it is represented by the z, and conjugate of this number is z bar. So we can write a minus ib. This is the conjugate of this imaginary complex number. Now if you have two complex numbers z1 and z2, it means this number is equal to a plus ib and this number is equal to c plus id. So we can compare only real number to real part, and imaginary to imaginary. Same way we can add if we want to add this complex number a plus ib, अगर हम इन दोनों को ऐड करना है तो इन दोनों का एडिशन क्या हो जाएगा? एडिशन में रियल पार्ट रियल से ऐड करेंगे और इमेजिनरी को इमेजिनरी से. सेम सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी वही करेंगे, रियल में से रियल पार्ट घटेगा और इमेजिनरी में से इमेजिनरी. ओके, प्रोडक्ट, इफ वी वांट टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस a plus ib into c plus id. Okay, the product of these two numbers just multiply like binomial I into bc, I into ad and plus I square bd. We know that I square equal to -1, so it is equal to the ac minus bd. This is the real part and the imaginary part is bc plus ad. Okay, this is the product of these two complex numbers, and the value of this mod z, it means the value of this complex number equal to under root a square plus b square, under root a square plus b square, and the same I equal to root -1, I square equal to -1, I cube is equal to I square into I. It means minus I cube equal to minus I, and I raised to power 4 minus 1 square is 1, I raised to power 5. We can write I raised to power 4 into I raised to power 4 is 1. It means 1 into I equal to I, and so on. Inverse of this complex number z equal to z inverse. We can write 1 upon z. Okay, and next, if the mod value of z1 into z2 equal to the mod value of z1 into mod value of z2. This is the value of modulus value, and the conjugate a plus ib The conjugate of this is a minus ib. This is the conjugate of a plus ib, and conjugate of a minus ib equal to a plus ib. Simple. This is the theory. Now solve the exercise 5.1 according to these rules. Easy exercise. ये बहुत आसान है. Express each of the complex number given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus ib. 1 to 10 questions. Now solve. Just give the answer in the form of a plus ib. 5i into 3 minus 3 by 5i. Just product of these two numbers, 5i into minus 3 by 5i. 5 cancel. The product is minus 3i square. We know that minus I square equal to minus 1. It is equal to 3. पर हमको लिखना किस फॉर्म में है? a plus ib फॉर्म. a plus ib form means a is real number is 3 but I into 0 because there is no imaginary part. In the question number 2, I raised to power 9 plus I raised to power 19. Okay, we know that I raised to power 9 means 4 square I raised to power 8 plus 1. We can write 8 plus 1, और you can write I square raised to power 4. सिंपल वे में लिखिए I स्क्वायर की पावर 4 इंटू I. ये ज़्यादा आसान है. I स्क्वायर की पावर 4 2 ज़ा 8 प्लस 1 9. एंड सेम वे I स्क्वायर रेज टू पावर 9 2 9 ज़ा 18 इंटू I. तो वी नो दैट I स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -1 -1 raised to power 4 into I, and same I square is -1, I square -1 raised to power 9 into I. -1 raised to power 4 it is equal to 1, and odd power it is minus. The value is 0. So you can write in the form of a plus ib 0 plus I0. This is the form in the form of a plus ib. I raised to power minus 39. इसको हम लोग कैसे लिख लेंगे? पॉजिटिव पावर ऑफ I. Now bifurcate. I raised to power 4 into 9. 9 4 जा 36 plus 3 39. We know that I raised to power 4 is 1. 1 raised to power 9 into I cube. I cube equal to minus I. Okay. So it is equal to 1 upon minus I. Now multiplying I in both numerator and denominator. So you get I upon I square. I square is -1. It means it is minus I. Okay. Minus I. So we can write in the form of a plus ib equal to 0 plus minus I square is -1. It is equal to plus I. Minus I square -1 minus plus. It means it is equal to 0 into I. Okay. Next. The next question is 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Just multiplying by 3. 21 plus 21I. 7 into I plus I square into 7. It is equal to 21 plus 28I. I square is -1. It means -1 into 7. 21 minus 7 is 14 plus 28I. This is in the form of a plus ib. You can write like a plus I आगे लगा के 28. Same. Next question number 5. ये है 1 minus I minus -1 plus I6. Okay. Equal to 1 minus I minus plus 1 minus I into 6. 1 plus 1 2. minus minus it is I 7. 6 minus 1 I 7. This is in the form of A plus IB. Very simple question. Next, question number 6. The next question is 1 by 5 plus I 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I 5 by 2. Just simplify, open the bracket, minus 4 minus I 5 by 2. Now 1 by 5 minus 4 and I 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Next, 5 into 4 20. 1 minus 20 is minus 19 by 5 plus I take LCM 2 and simplify. Take LCM 10. 5 to that 4. 5 into 5 25. It is equal to minus 19 by 5 and I minus 19 by 10 minus 21 19 no, 21 4 minus 25 21 by 10. Okay, again if you want to write here, minus I 21 by 10. Okay, next, 7th question number 7. 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I 1 by 3 minus minus 4 by 3 plus I. Okay, now compile the real numbers. 1 by 3 plus 4 minus minus plus 4 by 3. This is the real part. And imaginary part, 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus minus 1. Okay, now just add by taking LCM. 1 plus 12, 13 plus 4, 17 by 3. Okay, this is equal to 17 by 3 and this one is plus I take LCM 3. 8 minus 3, it is 5 by 3. This is in the form of A plus IB. Okay, it is 1 minus I raised to power 4. So we can write this 1 minus I whole square to the square. Now open the square of 1 minus I. 1 plus I square minus 2I and the square. First open the square of this one. Now 1 plus I square is minus 1 minus 2I whole square. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. It is equal to minus 2I whole square. It is 4I square. And 4 into I square, it means 4 into minus 1. It is equal to minus 4. And we can write A into IB form. A plus I 0. Here is no imaginary part, therefore minus 4 plus I. 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. This is question number 9. By expanding the formula of A plus B whole cube, it is equal to the A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square and then B cube. Here A is equal to 1 by 3 and B equal to 3I. Just put the formula. A cube 3A square B and 3A B square and B cube means 3I whole cube, just using the formula. Now expand. 1 by 3 cube is equal to 1 by 27. Now 3 cancel. It is equal to I plus 3 cancel. 9 I square 9. I square 9 and last I cube 27. Okay. 1 by 27 minus I square I square equal to minus 1, it is minus 1 into 9. Here is I plus I cube is equal to minus I, 27. 1 by 27 minus 9 and I 1 minus 27. I take it out. Now solve. It is equal to minus 242 by 27 and it is 26 I or the I 26. This is in the form of A plus IB. Just expanding the formula of A plus IB whole cube. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I whole cube. The same formula, A minus B whole cube, or the simple minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I by using the formula. Take minus 1 common and it is 2 plus I by 3. I into 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 whole cube outside. So minus 1 whole cube, it is equal to minus 1, and expand the formula of A plus IB whole cube. The same formula, A cube plus 3 into A square into B plus 3AB square. Now last, B cube. B cube means I upon 3 whole cube. Okay. Minus 1, 8, 4I, 3 cancel, 2 by 3, I square, and the last I cube by 27. Okay, I cube by 27. Now 8 minus 2 by 3, because I square equal to minus 1, and here 4 minus 1 by 27 I. Right here I square equal to minus 1 and I cube is equal to minus I. Just put I square equal to minus 1 and I cube equal to minus I. Simplify. 24 minus 2, 22 by 3, and I 108 minus 1, 107 minus 27. I go minus I cube is equal to 4 minus. Okay, now multiply the minus 1, it is equal to 22 by 3 minus I 107 by 27. This is the answer. Just take minus 1 out, minus 1 को कॉमन ले लिया, minus 1 का होल क्यूब एंड A plus B होल क्यूब फॉर्मूला लगा दिया. Now from question number 11, find the multiplicative inverse each of the complex numbers given in the exercises 11 to 13, 11, 12 and 13. These are the three. 4 minus 3i. We know that the Z inverse, the formula of Z inverse is Z bar. It means conjugate of this number divided by the mod value of this, the square of mod value. Okay. The first Z bar, conjugate of this number is 4 plus 3i. And mod value of this is equal to under root 4 square plus minus 3 square. A square plus B square is the mod value. It is equal to root 25. And mod square equal to 25. Now just put in the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse is Z inverse equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 25. We can write it in the form of 4 by 25 is the real part and the imaginary part is 3 by 25. This is the real part 4 by 25 and imaginary is 3 by 25. Next question number 12. Root 5 plus 3i. First write the conjugate of this one, root 5 minus 3i. And mod value of this, under root 5 square plus 3 square. Okay, root 5 square is 5 plus 9, 14. Root 14 and the square of mod value equal to 14. Now inverse of this complex number is conjugate divided by mod value, square of the mod value. It means root 5 minus 3i divided by 14. Real part separate, I 3 by 14. This is the inverse of the given matrix. Okay. Now the 13 number question. Write the conjugative inverse of minus I. Okay. So z equal to minus I. Conjugate is plus I. And mod value of this minus 1 square, it is equal to 1. Z value square is also equal to 1. Therefore z inverse equal to z bar upon, it is equal to I. Simple. This is the inverse of this, inverse of minus I equal to plus I. Next question number 14 and last question of this exercise. Express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. 3 plus I root 5, 3 minus I root 5, root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2. Okay. Okay. A plus b, a minus b. By the using the formula of a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. And in denominator, root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 plus I root 2. Root 3 cancel. 9 minus I square into 5. And denominator 2 root 2 I. It is equal to the 9 minus 1. I square equal to minus 1 into 5. And 2 root 2 I 2 root 2. Now multiply I in numerator and denominator both. So 9 plus 5 14i, and in denominator 2 root 2 I square. It is equal to minus 2 root 2. 2 cancel, 7, and again rationalize by root 2. Root 2 into root 2. In numerator it is equal to the minus 7 root 2 I by 2. On simplification we get minus 7 root 2 by 2 I. And in the form of a plus ib we can write like this. Okay. Worksheet exercise finished.